Hello everybody, welcome to Ruby Falcon. Today we're going to be making a duck breast. Duck breast is a wonderfully juicy and flavorful bit of poultry. It's honestly closer to a steak than it is to a chicken breast. And there's so much you can do with the seasoning on it. Let's take a look what we need to make it, alright? To make duck breast, you are of course going to need a duck breast. I like one around 250 grams. This one's a bit closer to 300 grams. We're also going to use salt, pepper, garlic, cinnamon, and cayenne pepper. This particular spice blend is very close to, but not quite the same as Chinese 5-spice. So if you don't want to make your own blend, you can use Chinese 5-spice instead. To a bowl or ramekin, add some salt, pepper, garlic, little bit of cinnamon, and cayenne pepper. A little bit of cayenne goes a long way. And mix it all together. Duck is quite a fatty meat, so what you want to do is you want to score the skin to allow the fat to escape when it melts. If you don't, when the fat melts, it gets stuck under the skin and boils the duck instead of frying it, and that makes it really hard to get the skin nice and crispy. Using a very sharp knife, score the skin diagonally or in a diamond pattern. Rub your seasoning blend onto all sides of the duck breast. Add your duck breast skin side down into a cold frying pan. Turn the heat up to medium-high and move the duck breast regularly for about 8 minutes. If you have the heat too high, the seasoning will burn. I should also clarify, for these 8 minutes, keep it skin side down.
Es hallt der Toten klagen, tief im Nacken das Grauen sitzt. Wenn die Uhr beginnt zu schlagen, kalte, dichte Nebelschwaden berühren dich sacht. Mitternacht.
After 8 minutes skin side down, flip the duck breast over and do the other side for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, skin side up, we're going to flip it over so that it's skin side down once again. And stick it in the oven. It's going to be in the oven for 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 8 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So no matter what else you're cooking, there's an option. I'll see you then. Alright, the duck breast has been in the oven for 10 minutes at 350 degrees. Let's get it out of there. And would you look at that? Similar to a steak or a roast, it's important that you let the duck breast rest for a few minutes. You may also notice that the skin has constricted while it was cooking. That's the other reason we score the skin, is so it doesn't pull the meat tight. After the duck breast has rested for a few minutes, go ahead and slice it, but don't slice it too thin. Give yourself nice sized slices. You do want it to be pink in the middle, medium rare. Again, this is not chicken, this is duck. Finally, it's time to serve. Today I'm serving my duck breast with roasted cauliflower and roasted artichoke hearts with spicy mayo. And there you have it, duck breast. Enjoy it. It is fantastic. It's rich, it's juicy, it's flavorful, it's spicy because of the cayenne. It is amazing. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. If you did, you can click up here to subscribe, and down here is something that the algorithmic overlords at YouTube think that you'll enjoy from my channel. Catches your fancy, go ahead and click on it. See you next time.